morning, people. Here we are on a trip from Salem to Andover, and I'm gonna show how perfectly we can drive in the snowstorm. We are just following a truck which says Doe Company. The traffic is slow just because this is a merging way to I-93 South. So snow is not that much, but yeah, still you can see the foggy weather. The visibility is almost 80%. Yeah, and I think we all are following a vehicle which is just cleaning the road. The roads are mostly clear, but still there are some snow on the roads, which make the road slippery. And just that car, you can see that red car passed by us, and he just waved us. He was appreciating that we are making this video, and we are now just about to merge into I-93 South. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit not that much expert in direction, so I have to again and again remember that this is south, not north. And here we go, we are on I-93. Speed limit right now is 40. We are driving on 40, which is against the traffic rules. It should be minimum at 45.
I'm sorry for that.
But we are flowing with the traffic. The traffic seems to be going on 40, and in that situation we cannot move to 45 now. There is some enthusiasm came to the driver, and he started accelerating. You can see the snow or the water drops coming off the rear wheels of vehicles who are leading us. So there we go, and we are in form now.
Speed is around 60 miles per hour.
Speed gone to 60 miles per hour. Let me remind you, the highest speed is 65 allowed on this road. So guys, be cautious, drive at the speed that you can control. Don't lose your control. We have entered to the boundary of, we have crossed the boundary of Salem, NH and MA. So now we are in MA, and just passed away exit 48. We gonna turn on exit 45. So let's see how our ride goes. And just for your information, we are riding on Hyundai Sonata, which is one of the premium products of Hyundai. The Korean Motors, Korean company. We have heard a lot about it. Seems very nice, not very bumpy. Handling is very nice. The traction control is very nice, and feels very comfortable. You can see how comfortably I am sitting. See, the driver is very comfortably driving in such kind of weather. It's not just his expertise in driving, it's the credit goes to Sonata also. And the same red car, we are following, waved hand towards us, and we are trying to keep us on the middle lane because this is the smoothest lane where we don't feel much disturbance from the traffic merging on the right side and the traffic overtaking on the left side. So my suggestions to all drivers, try to keep on middle lane as much as you possible. Yeah, if somebody is pissing you off by driving slow, then of course you can shift to left lane and overtake it. So we are just heading toward the bridge over the Merrimack River, which passes through Philips Electronics, and I'll show you the river. It's almost frozen and you can have a nice walk on the river. Yes, on the river, not by the river. So heading towards the river road. And guys, here you can see the river. It's the snow pile on the sides are a little bit high, so I could not show you the exact view of river, but it's completely frozen. Yeah, you need to be very cautious while walking on the river to check how thin is the layer and how thick is the layer of ice there, if it can bear your weight or not. And you can see the Chitayu. So we are almost at Andover and reached exit 45 here. We're gonna take the exit 45 towards River Road and
Very slowly, because last time I just...
Yeah. The same driver, now he got the expertise, but he had an experience of bumping into the snow. Obviously that time he didn't had the Sonata, so maybe this time credit goes to the Sonata. But I will not defame the car company that he was driving when he bumped into the snow, because our motive is to give fame to companies, not defame companies. So I'll not let you know which car it was when he bumped into the snow. You can see in front of us is La Quinta, where I spent few memorable days when I arrived in US. It was kind of same weather, and it's a matter of fact that today is 30th January, and 30th January 2013 was my first day in US.
That's great. We should celebrate it.
Yeah. You can see that the rightmost lane is almost buried under snow. We're gonna take left, right from here. And the board says right must turn right. But
And we follow rules here.
and we followed the rules. Yeah, definitely. We see the density of snow is not that much here. It's reduced. It's more in New Hampshire, and you take the advantage of the beautiful view. You can see the trees, all the leaves fallen. You can see the mountains, snow mountains, and these are not the real mountains. These are made by clearing the road. And here we go. We are in Philips campus. Somebody's calling, but
Don't see it. It's against the
but
rules.
we don't pick up the phone. It's against the rule to talk on phone.
Yeah, it's more than rules. It's safety concern.
But I would not stay back, and I'll tell you that the car has got Bluetooth. I don't know why Mr. Expert is not using that.
Not a habit.
Maybe because of the privacy.
Yeah, I
The
don't
whole
want
car
people
speaks,
to hear.
all the I think 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 6 speakers or 8 speakers. Very nice sound. But that's for songs, not for private talks. So no phone calls attended on Bluetooth. And guys, you can see on my left hand side, across the trees, the Merrimack River. I won't be able to show you properly, I'm afraid. So we're gonna take right and pull the car into parking. And here we go. So if you like this video, leave your thumbs up, and you can subscribe us on blah 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 blah.com. Thank you. Have a great day, people.